Hello YouTube, Downtown Prepper here, and this will be part 2 of week 5, prepping on a budget. Last week I decided to break up this final week of prepping into 3 parts. $25 of food, $25 of medical equipment, and next video would be $25 of basic supplies. This would be what I would consider a level 1 medical kit. I mean, compared to what you would buy on Amazon at Walmart for $25, this is gonna be about as good as it gets. I mean, doing it, you can definitely get your money's worth doing it yourself. Most so-called 200-piece, 300-piece medical kits for $20, $30, they'll count each individual freaking Band-Aid and tablet as a piece. So they're very deceptive. Additionally, they don't include large amounts of hydrogen peroxide or alcohol, which is huge. Huge, huge, huge. Especially in the level 1 medical kit situation where you need to clean it. I mean, the biggest threat is infection. Having a small cut on your finger, get infected could be deadly, could be very, very dangerous. Moving right into it, I went to 3 different stores yesterday, the Dollar Tree, Big Lots, and Family Dollar. Each store has its benefits. For instance, Big Lots, believe it or not, has the best deal on hydrogen peroxide at 90 cents for a quart. So it's about $3.60 a gallon. About the same price as gas, but gas won't prevent infection. Alcohol, Family Dollar has the best deal on that. They really do. Dollar Tree's alcohol bottles for $1 are that big, where Family Dollar has it for about $1.05 for one that big. $1 and change, not much over $1. Obviously, the benefits of having alcohol is you can make your own alcohol wiping pads. Each of these gauze pads are individually wrapped, which is great because as opposed to that, I mean, it's about 20 feet of gauze, but once you open up that container, it is no longer sterile. You can break into that and they're still sterile. Bandages and gauze pads, Dollar Tree corners the market on that. Definitely. As well as things like these bandages and sprain supports. Thinking back to my old football days, if you got a sprained ankle, you can wrap it up and play with it. I mean, not a big deal. But if you didn't wrap it up and walk around, it felt like someone was about to rip your ankle off, your foot off. So these make a huge, huge difference. Definitely worth investing in these. Antidiuretics. Most people know that getting diarrhea in a survival situation could be a potential death sentence. Dehydration, lots of minerals. I mean, that's deadly. So definitely stock up on that. Allergy relief. I don't have any allergies that I'm aware of, but I don't want to bite into something at the wrong moment, maybe something I picked from my garden, and have my throat swelling up without some of this. Definitely get some of that. WROL and SHTF is going to come with a lot of stress. So sleep aids. When it's your turn to sleep, pop one of those and recharge the batteries. Lack of sleep will make you lag, will make it slow you down. You won't be at 100%, which you need to be if you are in a bugging situation. Along with some of this, muscle rub. I mean, really, for small pain, joint pains, you know, small contusions, this is really, I mean, luxury, but it's a comfort. They'll make you feel good. Aspirin, you know, great barter item. Just seeing the word aspirin, you know, admittedly makes you think pain relief. Antibiotic ointment and cotton swabs should go hand in hand. As soon as you touch the tip of that with your finger, it is no longer sterile. So break up your cotton swabs into little bags of 5, 10, so that you don't bust into this container and contaminate the entire thing with bloody hands. You know, definitely apply any kind of ointment to swab then to the wound to keep everything clean. Additionally, gloves. Found these at Big Lots, 50 cents per pack. It's cold and flu season, so stock up on this stuff when it's on sale. It won't be this cheap come summertime. Definitely not. Big Lots, I scored these Flu Shield Infection Defense Kit. The 7-day kit for one person. And when I got home and inspected it, I broke it up here. Came with 2 packs of those. Alcohol. Little antibacterial spray. And 7 of these masks. Which I was very impressed by the quality of these. Cloth, they're thick. They have that foam padding. The elastic is good. They're very, they call them particulate respirators. And I expected little paper masks, but these are worth the $2. I mean, I'm sure they were more expensive than that. So I'm going to go back and actually clear off the shelves, because if it was a biological attack and or a pandemic, I'm going to wish you had mountains of those boxes. I mean, really. As well as alcohol, lots of, to disinfect. So definitely, Big Lots is mid-December right now. It's December 12th. So go check your stores out and see if they have any of those. Great deal there. You won't find your best deals at 99-cent store always. Kitchen shears. And the split second that it takes to either pull off a shirt or cut it off can mean somebody's life. You only have so much blood, and if you're bleeding out, split second makes a difference. $1 at Family Dollar. Really, medical shears are expensive, but for $1, you don't take these out and mess with them, they'll stay sharp. Sharp enough to cut somebody's clothes off at least. So there you go. Get on Amazon, compare this to what they have. Again, remember, their so-called 300-piece kits are each Band-Aid individually. So that's a 15-pack, 6-packs, 50-pack, all for $1. So definitely get out there, get to your dollar stores, your discount stores, and build your own kit. Don't waste your money having somebody else build it for you. This way you know what you need next to take it into a level 2 trauma kit, Tourniquets, quick clot, more gauze pads. I mean, you're going to need tons of this stuff. Tons of it. So get out there and get the best deals. I hope this has helped some people out. Again, go back through the series. Last week we spent $25 on food preps, which bumped our total of calories up to 130,000 calories. So, and it's pretty well balanced. Carbs, vegetables, proteins. I could have done better on the vegetables, but for about $80 worth of food, it's kind of hard to go wrong with the preps that we acquired. So go back through and check that out. The next video will be $25 of basic equipment and supplies that everybody should have in their house. So, and again, none of this stuff, I did not coupon or anything like that. This is all stuff on sale and discounted stuff. So, again, keep your eye out for the best prices. This has been Downtown Prepper. Thank you for watching. Please like if you liked the video, and go ahead and subscribe if you would like to see more.